So this is a demo of the MOC Cloud Dataverse, which is a collaboration between the Dataverse project and the Massachusetts Open Cloud, which is a Dataverse installation that has a Swift object storage backend, which allows for direct access to a computing environment. So as we can see here, we've uploaded a dataset, which actually contains some files. Now, these files look the exact same as they would on a regular Dataverse installation, except they are actually stored in a Swift backend. If we actually go ahead and go to our Swift backend, we can see that these files are stored here. They don't have the same names, but they are actually the same files. So if we go back, we can see a couple of other things that have changed. So we have added this cloud storage access box, which allows for a user to directly access their container through the Swift API using this container name here. And we've also added a compute button, which will give you direct access to a computing environment of your choice. If you go ahead and launch a cluster in this specific computing environment, you can actually run a job on that direct container, which has been pre-populated here. So if we go ahead and select a job and a job template, we can see here that this is the input path of that container, and we just have to select those files and select an output path. And then we have launched a job on our Dataverse dataset. And now we can actually go to the Spark UI and see that our job has in fact been launched here. And once it's completed, we can go to our Swift endpoint and actually see that it has created a container that contains the output of the job. And here we can see it and we can access it for anything we would want to use it for.